Good morning from some random motel in Canada. Why are we in Canada? Well, I have been working at a summer camp since the beginning of summer, and I get off 1 day a week, and every chance I get, I love to leave the country. There is a lot we haven't talked about recently, guys. I have been posting my Mexico vlogs for literally basically the whole summer up until this point, but a lot's changed. And I have a lot of feelings towards the United States that I think I'm finally ready to talk about, considering y'all know that I'm going to Slovakia next month, just because I have a lot of reasons. Basically, I'm coming to Canada on my days off because I've learned that I can eat the fruit here. I'm not saying Canada is a much better country chemical pesticide-wise on what they use, but for some reason, I can eat things here that I can't eat in the United States. So I just come here and I thrive and I eat food. So that is what we are doing today. We are going to be trying a bunch of amazing food around Montreal, and we are just gonna go and explore a beautiful city. So let's get to it. As someone who usually hates driving anywhere near major cities, this one wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it would be, even with most of the signs in French and a bit different than what I'm used to. For our first stop, we went to check out the Copper Branch. It's a chain that I saw had vegan and gluten-free options, so I was hyped to try it. But in my honest opinion, I'd give it a 4 out of 10. The fries weren't fully cooked, and though they looked aesthetically pleasing, I did have an allergic reaction to the coleslaw on my burger. My Gandhi smoothie was absolutely fire though, so if you come here, maybe just come for some smoothies. We trucked on down some more city streets and made our way to the Grand Staircase. This over 300-step staircase leads to one of the best places to look at the city from above. It's also a great workout and a perfect place to take pictures. It can be a bit challenging depending on the shape you're in though, so make sure to bring some water. The views are 100% worth it though, in my opinion. After that, we headed back down and went to Arepa because I was hyped to see the Sans gluten sign outside. I'm trying soursop juice for the first time, and it's so good and it's so fresh. What? How's that guava juice? Gouda. So I haven't had an arepa since college, and I was like, oh my god, they have it. It's gluten-free. We have to go. Dylan's never had one. So what do you think of it, Dylan? Do you want to go back to America? No. Here, this is where it is. And arepa is Venezuelan, and oh my god, it's just so good. If you've never had one, go and have one right now. It's phenomenal. So I haven't even eaten cheese in months just because I've been avoiding it in America, but it's just because I don't trust the food in America. But I was like, I'm gonna give it a shot here, and I feel fine. And this is just, I got it with beans and plantains. Oh my god. The perfect amount of naturally sweet. Well, that's a hospital. And they have free healthcare, so that's cool. It just makes me really excited to live in a big European city. What a city, guys. Look, they even got a bike lane so the people on bikes are not, in our lane. So it's 4 o'clock now. We got a 3-hour drive back to camp, so we're starting to head back. But there is one more fantastic stop we have to hit on the way because I love farmers markets and Canada. So we're going to a farmers market in Canada that we went to last time. We got amazing cheap food, so we're taking y'all there for our last stop of the day. Isn't it great that we could go over this giant bridge into a major city and not pay $16? New York City looking at you. I think it's fantastic. 10 out of 10. Beautiful bridge. Okay, you see these arrows that just went by really fast? So this middle lane, when you're going into the city in the morning, that's going that way. But now that it's the afternoon, there's 3 lanes going this way because there's more people leaving the city. How smart and efficient. Love that. That we can take back over the border, but we can bring back this box of watermelon from this beautiful farmer's market. I'm very excited because I'm very allergic to the watermelon in the United States. So there's that. All right, guys. Well, we just arrived back at our lovely summer job at camp. And we had a fantastic day in Canada. Love leaving this country, which is something that I will get more talking about in some vlogs that are coming up. But yeah, just the difference in the food is kind of crazy. We brought back, we get the stuff from the farmer's market. Got some good food. We brought back some watermelon in the back, which is like, yeah, the only legal fruit that we can have. We got this like, it's like apples and looks like walnuts. And something else, not really sure. I kind of just pointed at things. We got this fantastic potato salad that we got last time. Yeah, super yummy. And then Greek salad, because I love Greek salad, but I can never have it here because I'm just like super allergic to it. But this Greek salad, fantastic. But yeah, so I have no problem driving 3 hours to get food that I can eat and not be allergic to, because I love that for me. But like I said, I'll get more into that in some upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for joining us on our little trip to Montreal, and we will catch y'all on the next one.